Dear students, welcome to this third lecture on Verilog HDL for our DLD course. In this lecture, we'll cover the part of the module, three different modeling styles or modeling levels, followed by a sample program for each case. Broadly, there are two parts of the Verilog program. First one is interface, where the incoming signals, outgoing signals, as well as in some case bidirectional signals are just defined, while the actual functionality lies in the part of main body of the program. So clearly these two are different. Interface, where the ports are defined of the block or of the system or of the module or block, while the body represents the actual functionality. With respect to modeling styles, there are broadly three types: behavioral modeling, structural level modeling, or some if it is based on gate, then we can call it as a gate level modeling, and third one is a data flow level modeling. In case of behavioral level modeling, there is no description related with the hardware, just behavior of the problem or the requirement is represented like our natural language in terms of Verilog language structure. So here the modeling will be easy for programming point of view or from our perspective, while it will be difficult to synthesize from the tool perspective. In case of structural modeling, it is assumed that some structures are available and those structures are called, or we can say instantiated, for further use or further design. So yes, a little exposure of the block level circuit is required. In case of data flow modeling, we have Boolean expression, we can say equations are available, logical equations, and using those the functionality is described, so that is known as data flow modeling. We will discuss these different modeling styles with single use or single purpose, that is multiplexer, say 4x1 multiplexer. In the sample program we will have all these three programs for multiplexer, by which we will be very clear how this can be differentiated. Thank you.